So, I've been very busy. I've been doing some work. I'm managing the restaurant, and my wife is meeting clients because she's a life insurance advisor. So, we don't have a lot of time cooking for dinner, but there are times that we do. There are times that I get to cook dinner, and here is one of them. And I hope you like it. It's a very simple dish. It's called pork stew. It's like a beef stew, but you're using pork. And very simple, very easy to do. You can do it at home anytime. Have fun! So I'm gonna start with the tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them bite sizes. Something like that. Then with the potatoes, you want it with skin or not, that's okay. Same size as tomatoes. Same with the carrots. Something like that. Here you want to take the ends of the garlic first. Chop it away. Then you'd like to crush them. That way it would be easier to take away the skin. Yeah, something like that. And just chop them mince or any small pieces. Oops. And that's what we got. Pork belly, you got the tomatoes, you got the garlic, you got the carrots, you got the potatoes. So let's start it up. Start with the oil, any oil, I'm using vegetable. Heat it up, then add your garlic first. You want to infuse that garlic in the oil. Not too brown. Then you add your tomatoes. That's okay, it's gonna wilt, that's okay. Then, gonna add some salt and pepper. Season it, you want to start early. Add your pork while it's hot. Make sure that your oil is hot. I picked this trick up a long time ago from a co-teacher. You want to saute them ahead of time and season them ahead of time. That way the flavor will definitely come in the pork or in any meat that you use. Whether it be chicken or beef, that's okay. Add your tomato sauce and I've got some stock in there as well. Yeah, there's the stock. Stir it up, let it boil. Let it boils, bring it down to simmer, close it up. Wait for a few minutes, around 20 minutes. Let it reduce like that, cook everything. Add some dried bay leaves and some whole peppercorns. Close it up again for another 10 minutes. Then add your potatoes and your carrots. And start cooking them until it's done. So by the time the potatoes and the carrots are cooked, the stew should be cooked as well. Something like that. That's it. Let's start plating. So I'm ready for dinner, so is my wife. Hope you guys enjoy this one. It's very simple.